Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Trina, aka the Clumsy Cook, and today we're going to be making some vegan peanut butter and chocolate cheesecake. Oh yes, you heard right. If you're anything like me and adore all things peanut butter and chocolate, this recipe is perfect for you. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think. Alright, let's go ahead and get into it. So first we're going to make the base, which is a mixture of almonds and peanuts and some pitted dates. You're going to go ahead and blend that up until everything is super crummy, like a graham cracker-like consistency. And then you're going to go ahead and press that mixture right into a muffin pan or a springform pan. You're going to go ahead and pop this into the freezer for about an hour to set. Now you're going to go ahead and make the filling. You're going to go ahead and soak some cashews. You can do this overnight or you can do a quick soak, which is usually what I do. You're pretty much going to bring the cashews to a boil. You're going to remove them from the heat, cover them, and then wait about 15 minutes. Go ahead and add coconut milk, cocoa powder, maple syrup for sweetness, coconut cream, coconut oil, peanut butter. I use crunchy, but you can definitely use creamy. And then go ahead and blend it all up until it's literally like pureed. You're going to pour the filling right over the crust, and what I like to do is use the crust mixture and put a little bit of each into each individual cheesecake. Then you're going to pop it back into the freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you just devour these vegan peanut butter and chocolate cheesecakes. If you did like this video, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, and let me know what you think.